Hi friends, I am Patel here. Today I am going to show you how you can make a paper clip in Fusion 360. So let's start today's video. So first of all, select top view. Now to go to this create sketch, or you can press L on your keyboard for shortcut and select this plane and you will get this type of graph. Now we need to select this origin plane and make a line straight of 20 mm, okay, and do it enter this way. See, simple, okay, this way. Now again I'm pressing L to make a line from this point, not from the origin but this point of line of 7.5. okay, here we need a 90 of angle. Okay, so I'm not sure you're 90, but it's a 90 of angle. You can see it. Okay, now again we have to make a line from this point up. This is also 90. When you drag, see here, you will get this 90 angle in blue highlight color. See, just I put a 90 of line. We put there, and you can right here. You need 30 mm. Okay, more than 20. Okay. So we will get here line. Okay, I'm putting this dimension outer. Now friends, again we have to press L and make a line again from here of 6.5. okay, 6.5 and then enter. So suppose if you need this point should be inside this point, origin point. Okay, so here also we need 90 in every angle where the line is changing. Always be a 90 in this sketch. Okay, again pressing a line and making a line from this point to the upward direction. See here, just you will get this 90 of angle again. See, here I need of 22. So 22 and enter. Just see this way. Again I want to create a line from this point to the 90 of angle, and here I need 5.5 and doing enter. See, now again I want to create a line from this point to this 90 of angle to the downward direction of 12 mm and do it enter. So here we will get this type of sketch. Here you can see the dimension. See this way. I'm waiting still for 2 seconds. Okay, you can see this dimension easily. Okay, I think so you have seen that. Now from here we need to curve all these 6 points. Okay, so for that I can use both of fillet options. So I will show you which fillet I am going to use. Here I am writing here. Here you will get this both fillet. This fillet, this first fillet, it will be used in the sketch which now we are going to use, and this will be used when you are making a 3D model and anything you have completed. So I am using this first one, that fillet, and you will get here also. Okay, modify. So selecting this point and this point and writing a dimension of 3.75 and doing it enter. Why I am writing 3.75? Because it is divided by 2, 7.50, so I will get 3.75 here, so it will be complete a semicircle. Okay, so same way you down this direction, select option, selecting this point and selecting this point. Here we need to write 3.25 and do it enter, because it is divided by 6.50 divided by 2, so we will get 3.25. okay, same way here we need to draw this part, the blue line part. Okay, then also we need to apply filter. So again I'm using this point and this point, and this line is about 5.5, so divide by 2 and we will get 2.75 and do it. Suppose you will see this type of EMAL, but when you press enter, you will get the perfect shape you want. Okay, so now you can do finish sketch and you will get this type of view where you complete perfectly how I have done. Okay, see, if you have any confusing, you cannot determine your dimension, you can repeat the video as you time you wish. Okay, so now you need to select C on your keyboard and select this view. Then it's the front view. From here also you can select, and to the origin, here the origin you will get, we to make a circle of 1 centimeter and we enter. Here you will see a small. When you go to the front view, you will literally see the smaller one. Okay, see, now it's become very easy to make it. Now you need to press S to your shortcut key and write SWE for a sweeper and select that command and select profile to this one, the circle we have made, and path, select this one of them line, selecting this line. Okay, select this way. So now do it. Okay, new body. So here you can see our paper clip has been complete, and here you go to this display setting and virtual style. You see to make share, you can press by Control 4 or Control 5. You can do a Control 5 for unhiding the share and Control 4 for able to share. So we have completed making a paper clip. If you have doubt or regarding this object or any regarding object which I make in my channel, you can comment me in any video. I will be explain you in your personal, or I will make another video for your personality and uploading video. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Instead of that, I forgot to share you friends, you can send me if you have any problem. I will make a video on it. Okay, so bye friends, thank you for watching my video.